Hi class, welcome to your English 1B course. This course, right now you can access this week the syllabus on Canvas. The Canvas page is open. However, the work will not start until September 20th. So what I want to do right now is go over the syllabus and get you prepared for your first day and next week of instruction. So my email is right here for you on the course syllabus, and you access the syllabus by going into Canvas and you click on syllabus like this, and then you come to this page. I have my reading schedule and my syllabus, a link to it, which is a Google Doc file, so you can just access that and print that out if you want. I would suggest that you go through the reading schedule and look at the dates of everything and have some sort of planner to put those important dates in to remind yourself of important dates that are coming up for the class. Also, I would suggest that you have a notebook nearby as you're working with the class and as I'm explaining things, that you write down important things that come up that you might need to remember later on. So having a notebook and a planner is really an important part of this class, because even though we're online, it's as if you were sitting in class taking notes. So I also have on my syllabus your required books, so not in the same order, but one of them is Rules for Writers, the PCC custom edition. Please get the correct edition, the 9th edition of Rules for Writers. You need the American Heritage Dictionary that looks just like this. Please get the pocket one like this. We will be using a lot of vocabulary words this semester, so this is the American Heritage Dictionary. The textbook that we're going to be working with primarily is Literature to Go, and looks just like this. And please get the correct edition, the 4th edition. And the novel is The Bluest Eye by Toni Morrison. Please make sure with the editions that you get the correct edition, because if you don't get the correct edition, then you will not be on the same page with us, and it doesn't have the correct readings in there as well, because the editions change. So those are the materials you're going to need. Please also have some sort of flashcards and post-its and highlighters so that you can highlight your books. Now, if you have all ebooks, you don't really need these. You can use your electronic devices for those things. And if you're really savvy with your computer and you like to take notes on your computer, that's cool too. If you are savvy with flashcards online or with apps, you can use those things as well. But you do need study skills, and you do need study materials for you during this class session. And even though I'm online, I'm a real person. I'm not a computer. I'm a human being, and I'm going to be reading your work. You can send me an email, but I just wanted to let you guys know that my email availability is Monday through Thursday, 9 to 5. If you send me an email during the weekends, I will not be able to respond until the following Monday morning, but I do respond Monday through Thursday from 9 to 5 on a regular basis. If you want to see me face-to-face and you want to make an appointment during my conference hours, I do have conference hours for the course, and my conference hours are posted on my calendar, so I want to show you how to access that. So where it says calendar, you click on the calendar, and it takes a while to access this. You see it's going around and around in a little circle. It takes a while to get into my calendar page, but this should be on your Canvas as well. And so I have a calendar here with available office hours, and all you have to do is click on the office hour that you want and reserve the spot. And I look at my calendar every day, and once I see that you have reserved a spot, then what I do is I send you a Zoom invite, and you can access the Zoom invitation, and then I'll meet you in Zoom. and it has the link in the Zoom invite. So all you have to do is copy and paste the link, and we'll meet on Zoom. And you can meet personally for any attention that you need or anything that you want face to face. So I do have that available for you. Even though this is an online class, it doesn't have to be completely faceless. So we can meet on Zoom and work on Zoom. So this is your Canvas shell for your English 1B course. And when you're working with the course, you're going to be working in modules. So I would like you to stay in the numerical order that I have for you. So I have all your modules numbered and all your due dates for everything, whether it's a discussion or it's a quiz or it's an essay. And these modules help you establish some sort of thinking process for what's going on in the class. I would like you to take notes for each and every individual module. And then if you have any questions, please in the subject line, if you send me an email, write the module number and the question you have for it. So sometimes I have videos, sometimes I have instructions or lessons. These are all things that I've put together for the class. And then there's due dates for discussions that you have to turn in. And then there's due dates for other things. And so what I'd like you to do is keep in number order and just keep moving along. So you just click on the first discussion, and then you just click the next one, and then it'll just go to the next page, and then you just keep moving along to the next page like this. And then if you get a page like this, which is a video page, just click on the link, and the link will take you to the video that I want you to watch. And then when you're done, you just click on next. And so every time I have a video or a page of instruction, I'd like you to take notes on those areas. Oftentimes I send a lot of videos like this one. I do send videos to my students on a regular basis. I like to send videos at the beginning of the week to get you prepared for the class week. I have a lot of office hours on Mondays, so I spend many of my office hours sending videos to my students. Unless you want to see me face to face, I'm more than happy to see you face to face as well. So I'd like you to work with the modules. The first one is going to open on September 20th for this class. And then every week after that, I will be opening up more modules for you. For some of you, it may be your first time in college, or some of you, this may be your first semester online. I don't know. If you ever want to meet with me personally, I really encourage you to sign up for my office hours. Please make sure that you read the syllabus carefully so that you know what my policies are, and that you've kept up with the policies. I also have the grading scale for the class on my syllabus as well. So if you need to look at the grading scale, you can look at the grading scale. Once I grade something and it comes, I grade it in this area over here, it says grades. You will be able to access your grades. Oftentimes I put comments with your grades, and I try to get your work back to you as soon as possible. So when you click on grades, you can see what grade you have, and Canvas totals up your whole grade for the class as well. So that's a really nice feature that you don't even have to see me about what your grade is in the class. Once a module closes, I don't reopen it, so please make sure to stay on time. This is a shortened class. It's only 12 weeks, so we're going to be doing 16 weeks of work in 12 weeks. And so it's a really compressed class. If you have anything personal that you need to see me about, if you're a DSPS student, or if you have any special accommodations that the college has requested for you, please see me personally during my office hours. I would really like to talk to you. Or if you have any other concerns about personal situations that you're in, please see me during my office hours. I prefer my office hour instruction, or Zoom to Zoom, face-to-face talk, rather than an email about that. And if you do send me an email, I'm going to tell you to make an appointment with me during my office hours. So let's have a really good semester. Let's try to keep cool this week. I heard there was a little bit of an earthquake this morning. Hopefully everything will settle down, and we'll have a great semester. Bye-bye.